Good morning, students. I am Nagalakshmi, working as KGBV Kamadur. Today our topic is 10th class Social Studies, 4th lesson, The Climate of India. Today we are understand the two words climate and weather. Weather and climate are not the same. Weather, the conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. These conditions very often even a short period. Example, we can see TV, newspaper or TV channels, radio, daily weather report is given the conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. Climate, the average conditions of a certain place over a longer period of the time. What have been the general condition year after year over 30 years or more give us the climate. Elements of weather and climate. There are several elements that make up the weather and climate of a place. The major of these elements are 5. First one is temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Analysis of these elements can provide the basis for a forecasting weather and defining its climate. These same elements make also the basic of the climatology study, of course, within a longer time scale rather than it does in a meteorology. Climograph. The climograph is graphically representation of a location basic climate. Climograph display data for two variable monthly average temperature and monthly average rainfall, maximum temperature and minimum temperature, dry and wet months. These are useful tools to quickly describe a location. Students observe the textbook page number 45. The climographs below show that temperature and rainfall vary in different parts of the country. There are 4 climographs are New Delhi, Leh, Jaipur and Chennai. First, observe the New Delhi climograph. The first climograph is Delhi. You observe the climograph. The climate of Delhi is a monsoon influenced, humid, subtropical with a high variation between a summer and winter temperatures and precipitation. Its climate is greatly influenced by its proximity to the Himalayas and the Thar Desert, causing it to experience both weather extremes. Delhi an extreme climate with a 6 degrees Celsius as the lowest temperature and 40 degrees as the highest temperature. Every month, the difference between a highest and lowest temperature is also more around 16 degrees Celsius. The second climograph, Leh. Leh is situated nearly 6 kilometers above the mean sea level. So the atmosphere there is no contribute for rain. It receives less than 10 millimeters as the maximum monthly rainfall. The remaining 3 places receive 200 millimeters or more rainfall as the maximum monthly rainfall. It is surrounded by a greater Himalayas mountains which are always covered with snow. Thus, it is different from other three places which are unlike this. There are some other places in the world like this, like Switzerland, also in Norway, Thimphu, Bhutan, and Kathmandu in Nepal, etc. The third climograph, Jaipur. Jaipur has an extreme climate, whereas Chennai in which moderate climate. Though the highest average temperature for both regions are at near 40 degrees Celsius. The lowest average temperature for Jaipur is at 6 degrees, whereas that is for Chennai is 18 degrees Celsius. The monthly difference in highest and lowest temperature also vary. For Jaipur, they are around 16 degrees, whereas for Chennai, they are around 10 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere of Chennai will be pleasant with this temperature, whereas that is not the case with Jaipur. This is not the case with Jaipur. The fourth climograph is Chennai. The geographical location determines the weather and climate in Chennai. The close proximity of even and equator make the climate and weather in Chennai relatively consistent with less variation in the seasonal temperature. The weather in Chennai is mostly hot and humid. The wet months for Chennai are October and November. It is because it receives rainfall during retreat of southwest monsoon or during northeast monsoon. Whereas the wettest months Jaipur are July and August. It receives rainfall during the southwest monsoon. In this way, Chennai and Jaipur are different. Okay, students, do you understand this? Climographs. Students, observe the textbook page number 47. Influence of latitude on climate. The imaginary circular lines parallel to the equator are called a latitude. In India, the southern part lies in the tropical belt closer to the equator. Therefore, this region has higher average temperature than the northern part. This is one reason for the climate of Kanyakumari being entirely different from Bhopal or Delhi. India is situated roughly between 8 degrees and 37 degrees north latitudes and the country. It is divided into almost two equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer. The part south of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the tropical zone. The part north of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the temperature zone. Advancing monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds. The sailor who came to India during olden days noticed the regular period of wind. They used the winds sail towards the Indian coast. Arab trades named the seasonal wind system monsoon. The monsoon from the tropical area approximately between 20 degrees of north and 20 degrees south latitude. The Southeast monsoon winds from the southern hemisphere carry moisture as they flow over the Indian Ocean and towards the equatorial low pressure zones. The winds default towards the low pressure formed in the Indian subcontinent. The heating of land creates low pressures on the landmass of Indian subcontinent. Student, let us the next picture, page number 51, high pressure and low pressure belts. The monsoon forms in the tropical area approximately between 20 degrees of north and 20 degrees of south latitudes. The heating of land creates low pressure on the landmass of Indian subcontinent. Southwest monsoon onset reaches Kerala and give rain to western Ghats and northeast Indian except in Coromandel coast. It is operated in two branches, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. The monsoon is marked by clear air, 6 and rise in temperatures. Low pressure conditions move to Bay of Bengal by early November. The rainfall of the Coromandel coast is divided from the depression and cyclones. Warming. Atmosphere traps a lot of solar energy that reaches Earth by preventing it from totally escaping into space. This is called a global warming. Human activities contribute to climate change by causing changes in Earth's atmosphere in the amounts of greenhouse gases, aerosols, and cloud illness. The largest known contribution comes from the burning of fossils and fuels, which release carbon dioxide gas to the atmosphere. Greenhouse gas and aerosols affect a climate by altering income solar radiation and outgoing infrared radiation that are part of Earth energy balance. Changing their atmosphere or properties of these gases and particulates can lead to warming or cooling of the climate system. Since the start of the industrial era about 1750, the overall effect of human activities on climate has been the warming influence. Human impact of climate during this area generally exceeds that due to known changes in the natural process such as the solar change and volcanic eruptions. Okay, children. AGBW, an international organization called a Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, was formed in reduced to emissions of greenhouse gases. The latest attempts made at the IPCC conference in Warsaw 2013 failed to achieve any agreements. Disagreements are between the developed countries and developing countries. Developed countries want developing countries to cut down on burning coal and other activities that add a greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Developing countries argue the developed countries developed by burning fossils and fuels in the development and their economic development will be seriously damaged if they do not burn fossils and fuels. Developing countries also argued that developed countries should do their fair share of water to find alternatives that can help the developing countries to progress. Students, write the answers this question. First question, what is called AZW? Second question, explain the word monsoon. Okay children, thank you to all.